All right, let's do some exponent problems, and here's our properties of exponents to the right. So the first one we're going to do, notice that I've got a product. So I've got three things multiplied together, and they're all being raised to a -4. So what I would use is the property 3 over here that says that I can distribute that in, basically. So that equals -3 to the -4, x to the -2 to the -4, y to the 7 to the -4. And then what property would I use now? Now I'm using the property where I multiply the exponents in property 2. So in this case, this is a little tricky. Actually, I'm not using that property. I'm just using the definition of a negative exponent, number 4. Right? You see that? So let's first do these ones, because these are the ones where you're going to use that property number 2. So this is just going to be x to the 8th because you're multiplying, and this is going to be y to the -28th. And now for this one, notice that -3, it doesn't have an exponent, right? The -3 is just a number. So really what that's the same as is 1 over -3 to the +4. You got to be careful with that. Is that negative part of the exponent? And it is.
It is.
So technically, really, that you can almost separate that as a -1 times a 3.
Okay.
But it doesn't matter. You can keep it together too, as long as you're careful. So do you see what I did there? I used that property number 4. And what's 1 over -3 to the 4th power? What's -3 to the 4th power equal to?
Gosh. Number.
It's equal to 81. Positive or negative?
Positive.
That's right, because it's an even power.
Even power, yeah.
You understand that?
Mm-hmm.
So that becomes an 81. Now notice that x to the 8th stays on the top, but this y to the -20 or to the -28 can go to the bottom as y to the +28. And so usually when they want you to write an answer in terms of positive exponents.
Okay.
So if you have a negative power, move it to the bottom. All right, so there's your answer.